What's up everyone? Starting day 3 in Florence. This day will be dedicated to walking around this beautiful city and enjoying it. I will tell you some interesting facts meanwhile. For now, we stopped at the beautiful spot where you are able actually to view the whole city from above. I'll take some shots for you. And we came to a different place, already in the city, near this beautiful canal. We're thinking to go for a walk and enjoy our time. Maybe take some cinematic shots and enjoy our day. So let's move on and I will show you the city. This is the second time in my life I see smart Brabus. I was riding this car in New York. We came to this amazing cathedral, Santa Maria del Fiore. We just had a coffee break with a nice view that you just seen with the time lapse. And it's time to go further. We'll probably go and see this cathedral, and I'm gonna tell you a bit information that I already know. And then we're moving to the famous bridge. In 14th century, the Florence was the biggest city of Europe. Second fact, when the building was built, they didn't make the top straight away, just because when they built it till that point, they realized that with the technology they had at that time, they weren't able to set it up because the building would be a ruin. His name was Filippo. I will write his name right here. So he suggested to build this top with his own technique, and it's built with 2 layers. He had an idea with the technique that they had at that time. They wanted to fill up the whole building with earth and put money inside of it, that they would be able to build the top, and then while there was money, that the citizens would take that earth.
This cathedral is really beautiful and really famous, and the opposite one is the same, very famous, especially because of the door, the golden one. Yeah, and there is Uffizi Gallery and one bridge. Sorry.
A bit my time lapse. They told me, the guard came to me and told me that I cannot use the tripod, though I can use my camera. I don't know why. That's totally not logical for me. Florence Pizza Gallery is just right behind me. We won't go inside because it's probably huge and you need tons of time to go through it. Thus, we're going further to see that bridge with the mall. Right now we're on Shopping Mall Bridge and this view is actually amazing. What can I say about the bridge? From what I've seen, all of the shops in the bridge are with jewelry and they're selling some kind of, luxury goods. So there are no cafes, nothing much interesting except jewelry. So it's nice to walk around to see the view from the bridge and just to look on the bridge. And of course you can lock your lock there on the fountain of love. Let's go to the car and change our place. Honestly, if you ask me, I'm pretty inspired and I like the city the most out of what I've seen already. Of course, Venice was something unique because it was flooded, but I didn't see much of Venice that it would leave such an amazing feeling behind it. And this city is so big and there are so many beautiful buildings and so much of unique architecture that probably right now this is the most amazing and the most, mind-blowing city in Italy I've seen so far. So let's move on. These signs are actually another cool fact. The city allowed one artist on probably one street to make them look cool. So he made like small jokes or something like this on a lot of stop signs. Right now we've seen only two. Green water, lights with legs. The city is full of creativity. I will show you the lights right now. Have our own, how it's pomegranate or гранатовое дерево, короче, у нас есть pomegranate tree, and it's even like, you see, I didn't do anything, I just took it. Let's taste it. Wait a second. Oh my god, it's so sweet. It's actually, I don't know, maybe the best one I've tried so far. It's really, really sweet, guys. Oh.